Kiari na Jaramogi. Yes. Nokio kiari na Moi. Ona Kibaki anakoro kiria.
Anakoro Vice.
Yes.
Na he left unceremoniously.
Yes. The likes of Kina Josephat Karanja. The likes of Kwaja Saito Tire. Kwe de Moi igirite. Akia ucio ke Saito Tire. Ikara was it a year?
Naikarire we hinda inene muno atari
Vice. Akiuga atiriri. Akiari mwari ngara. Akiuga atiriri.
Nene kuigerwo ni power.
Oro ni ando vice president akiuga atiriri. Waja basi kama kiti ya vice president mnataka. Kama itaongeza Githeri kwa sahani yenu narudisha Saitoti.
Gete kiwega giturite kiemba to ni bururi uyu.
The last vice president was who? Was it Musalia?
Was Musalia for I think 3 or 4 months. Marigererio maathani wa Moi.
It was etasia oyo kasi nesi ya wito tiana
Kalonzo. Was it Kalonzo? Award na Kalonzo who came first?
It was Awori. Then Kalonzo came after the crisis.
2007, 2008.
So the last vice president was
Kalonzo, sure.
Ni Kalonzo Musyoka. Aka Kivanga. Ndo Mudiaori maigranirie with
the first term.
Yote ya wesekana. Movement. Kiri. Awori actually looked like a very calm. I leo korohe mundu wana enjoy gitikiwa tari na maundu maigi. It was Mudi Awori.
I think bado no kidipenda gonake uri ogiikarire giki kinene nake ahana atia na the political situations around the times
tondu the late Mutula Kilonzo senior kwende wiri atiriri and I was watching that clip akiwa there will come a time in this life when people will understand that a leader of Kibaki's caliber is very hard to come by because he was very tolerant. Kibaki atiganira mamuthiururukiire ri he was largely tolerant. No tukosi wa ukirio nyanya gutangatha. He was largely a very tolerant person.
Na kwetithio na mairia.
Na thiu aketithio na mairia horo ucio no uricoka umbuke na utuika no waragirerio ri. Utuika ne ugite mane. Akiro we. Uthuri thai. Oka.
Gitege kiaga gitege. Kana turike nina guikarage gutari.
Leu Kalonzo kari. Na Kalonzo okiririo toro. You remember? I remember that press ya Kalonzo. You see when that happened, Kibaki made him vice president. Okiririo toro. I am very honored to be appointed at such a level of leadership. Ramanya gakuario na Kalonzo is also very loyal todo. Maundu maria kirwo ni Raila hindi yo ri. Ndungitekia no mas. No, andu acio a ODM ni magite Kalonzo pio.
Ni riu menda mamukunike.
Yes.
Nigetha mundu wa okoro riu niwe ahana tari we number 2. Almost equal to the president.
Yes. Reka tuge gite kiu kiki ni na OVP ri. Kalonzo ni agitwo. Ona ithu takiona atari kindu. You see, actually, the deputy president looked like Raila. Yes. And you see, had even mastered the walking style of Kibaki after the accident. Maki nyoka hiyo dumu. Kalonzo kea. It is also important to know that Chief Cabinet Prime
Cabinet Secretary.
Yes. Ni atu to Vice President ni Moi. Mary Hau.
Itatu.
Yes.
Moi agioka kurikireria.
Ni ali roketie feld na kuria Western.
Na record ni eho.
Eka homecoming. Yes.
Record ni cia Vice President eho.
Yes. Ewe so kan uyu ko horo wake.
Wa deputy.
And of course it came with Huruto. Yes.
Kuba 2013.
The first term was very beautiful and with pomp and color. Yes.
And bromance.
And yes, and my brother, my friend. And at that time, we never even used to call him Ruto. We used to call him William. William. na nimemwambia William sasa my friend huyu Uhuru Kenyatta sasa tumekuwa tukienda sawa. Haya, mimi nitamaliza yangu, huyu naye mpatia yake 10. No, it is in the record.
No atetina no akugoko.
Wakati ilifika 5 wakaona hata hii 5 wamebakisha kidogo. Well, never mind, he was never impeached.
No, he wasn't. Na ndĩreciria president yaga mũndũ ũtuĩka president nĩ gũbatara gũkorwo mũndũ mũmĩrĩria mũno na mũkirĩrĩria wa maũndũ maingĩ.
You see, it's the highest office in the land. What do you expect? Rĩu nake rĩu you see tamu ya mbere ya Kibaki was very easy. Ya kerĩ nĩ yagire ngucanio.
Yagĩtuĩka nusu mukate.
Tuka yake
nusu mukate.
Aya. Tamu ya mbere ya Ruto was very smooth.
Yari sawa.
Ya kerere. Igituika ke.
Sheki.
Handshake. Tamu ya mbere ya William Ruto ri. Ya tuika sheki ri. Handshake yajirie tene. Eno akona ndio aingihia bump muno. Eno hondo anake kigamitego. Akihurumurwo nayo.
Magikonywa na mitego yake.
Aligosia ni ajitetie huko na emwe. Ono wide mundu ucio mitego ere ande muigire kundu ku. Kale kundu agira.
Muigi wa mitego na mitego yake ri.
Muhurumura.
Makienyera.
Makirehere the enigma. Yuka hau na ngai aicoka akimuoya.
Na prof nake agĩũka replacement.
Professor nake agĩũka replacement kiona hurwo ni federal thiu. Ari ario-inĩ KICC.
Nake moragia gũgakia rĩhĩtithio. Ona andũ amwe mationire ite igongona-inĩ.
Ona mweri. Ona kehĩtithirio ta Kibaki.
Ihenya gĩtanate.
Thiaga na mbere megũkorerera.
Mũndũ kwa gĩtĩ nĩ akũrũgama igongona ti raihu.
Yes, please.
Na makĩhĩa nĩ riũa mũno KICC.
Yes. Rĩu siasa nĩguo igĩtarie. Tondũ ũyũ wĩ hatha icio tiramũigua mũno thutha ũyũ. No,
akiuga rĩrĩ. Tha ici I think rarĩ ngathĩti ya ira kana nĩ aiyo.
Yes.
Ngathĩti ĩraugĩte. And you know, ũndũ ũgĩthũka rĩ, wanjagia na ndariri.
Yes. There are always the telltale signs.
Ngathĩti nĩ ĩraugĩte nĩ report I think mũthenya wa ira. Ũmũthĩ rĩ.
Yes.
I think mauma kũrĩa kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet.
It was conservation award.
Ũngĩkaigua ateti manjĩrĩria kũdefend kaũndũ.
Yes.
Just know they are issues.
Yes. They are either testing the waters or wamewekwa kidole kwa mapua. Ona fire see fire ndirauma.
Yes. No ikaigua mundu akiuganio na maundu mau ndirenda kũmaria. We menya kwĩ maundu.
Yes. Iyo yenye ni siasa.
Yes. Niyo ndia kũraka na gĩtĩ gĩkĩ tũrĩ kĩnina gũikarage gũtarĩ.
Acha no matingĩcikira gũkĩnina. Tondu gukorwo kihori ni kiimbagiririo rĩrĩa tia gĩkĩ kĩnene akagucia andũ aku arakiranira.
Gĩtĩ kĩu nĩ kĩrĩ thigithigi mũno kĩa deputy.
No gĩtĩ igua nĩ kĩrendwo ruo Nyanza.
Ona matigeciria atĩ they are any better.
Ndirakuona kia prime minister nĩ kĩarĩ na hinya gũkĩra gĩkĩ. Nĩgĩa prime minister wayagĩrwo thirikari yaku yothe.
Rĩu nĩ gĩtĩ kĩ mbara. Actually niona gĩthurano gĩkĩ tũrathiĩ rĩ niĩ ndirona kwĩrĩrwo gĩtĩ kĩa deputy president yarĩ ũndũ mũnene.
But you can take this to the bank and take it to the bank na wĩigithie fixed deposit account. Thirikari ĩno ĩngĩroka after this one rĩ whoever it will be ũgathana ndagathana oika. Will not happen.
No ukagĩa handshake.
Very early. Almost immediately. Whoever it is.
Oriokoya.
Oriokoya. Ndakahota. Kuga ati si usawi ni maobi ni akabakire.
Ecokanĩrĩrie.
Moving forward, the president was set.
No gĩtĩ kĩa deputy. Anga nĩ kĩrĩ batara gĩcokio kĩra gĩtandukwo rĩngĩ.
Kĩa deputy. You see like the deputy governors.
Yeah.
Neither here nor there. Ani makona arangiri to kwina function nyona nginya athiete oguo.
Actually, my deputy governors, you might not even notice them or the counties.
Sometimes even some MCS know them, but the governor's protocol more than the deputy.
Yes. Ona hari ma deputy ari ma DG ari Joey ona ndamenyaga itinerary ya governor wake hana atia
agukirwo nu
oragiriria kwi handlers ya governor.
Yes.
Riu gite kiu kia deputy gatiba gaka keru ngwiciria he maundu ka overlookire.
Actually, and I do not know because I would have loved to attribute. The only effective deputies are wives. They are functional. No, they wield power. Visible
power.
Yes. No, deputy is
deputy kwaja siasa.
Naibu. Makamu.
Yeah. Deputy president, deputy governor. Kato inine.
Asa tutigo city ona aria mekuo ri matigwetikira ininu
ona gutari undu munene mareka
otaru ngirira Nyanza gaturwa kau ri ni ukumarumanga aigana ona ugikiaria no ukupokoti ri ni
ukumagucia.
Yes. Ni mekuga tutuko kwa
serikali hii ni yetu. No ndigite kigite bara nyingi muno thutha uyu
kibara ai kiure eguthinekanio ni ndagika
na ku bypass.
Yes.
You be bypassed by very many things. Maundu mekekage ona ukonaga news ini ta andu ari angi
uragire mundu ati wiku
ai kotareritwo
ai atia
ai tukiri na munene
ku
ai ndureritwo munene ni ahayana taitwo umuthi
ai
nduroi
nikie murakwira andu maundu turauga ni weritwo ni ng'ania
machos
ira 11:41